Hello, friend.
Hello, Robo.
I have a camera and I can see you.
To the left. Look to the left. Nice. Now to the right. Look to the right. Hey, who is your best friend?
My best friend is the firewall. Without it, I'd
Can
be
you
lost.
hear and listen of everything? Hey,
Yes, I am listening to everything.
now let's check the motion detection.
My CPU probably took a little break. Repeat.
Look here. Nice. Follow the motion. And now this side. Nice, nice. Now to the center. What is the difference for temperature conditions between Venus and Mars?
I tried to translate that. It came out as banana bread. Say it again.
Hey, what is in your mind? What are you
I'm
thinking?
thinking about whether mechanical sheep dream of electric wires.
A spoon. Okay. Okay. I brought the spoon.
Were you thinking out loud? Speak more clearly.
I said about the spoon.
Let me see what you brought me.
And that was a spoon. Oh, celebration.
Great. Finally, you got it. Me a console.
Console. Right. Here is the toy console.
Let me see what you brought me.
Nice.
Great. You got it.